Hello everyone, welcome to Computex 2024, and here we are demonstrating our state-of-art video editing storage solutions. Now, there are different use cases where a NAS is required in the video editing domain, but of course the first and most important is that you need some storage device which is most secure, robust, and provide you high throughput to the data, so that the video editing clients can get better data throughput for their editing operations. And hence, most of our media houses or the customers in the media houses or the broadcasting channels, they use our one of the most popular solution is TSH2419, which is an all-flash NVMe solution. And generally in this scenario they use a 100 gig network with QNAP USWM 7308, so that with this 100 gig network and TSH2490 all flash NVMe storage, you get the best throughput that you need for editing your raw data. Generally, the raw data sizes are huge. Depends on the camera, but for example, even a 1 minute raw video data size can be of hundreds of GB, and hence we need some huge storage, but also higher access to the data that is stored on the storage. But because this comes with all NVMe storage, it is a little bit expensive. And if you are a middle tier data broadcasting company and you need something which is pocket friendly, then we are demonstrating another solution, which is TSH1277, which comes with all SATA SSDs. And because SATA SSDs are more economic compared to NVMe, so this is more cost friendly solution, price or pocket friendly solution for your video editing needs. Now, because this is a SATA solution, and to get even better throughput, what we are demonstrating here is we have used two different LAN cables, and these LAN cables are connected to a 25G network. And using this 25G network and two LAN cables, we have used something called SMB multi-channel to connect to the client. And you can see that two 25G LAN cables connected together using SMB multi-channel is providing somewhere around 5862 Mbps throughput. So that is how you can optimize this storage. So even if you are going with SSD, you can get even better throughput if you use two channels and combine it with SMB multi-channel. So that's our solution for middle tier video editing companies, or who want some cost-friendly video editing storage solution. Now, as we know, most of the video editors prefer to use Mac for the editing. And generally Mac comes with Thunderbolt 4 connector as well as USB 4 connector nowadays. So if you have Thunderbolt connector to the NAS, then there is another model which we are recommending, which is our TVS H874T, which comes with inbuilt Thunderbolt port. And this way it provides you direct connectivity with Mac for your video editing requirements. Now, if at all you don't have Thunderbolt port, then you can still use USB 4 port. For example, we have here USB 4 port, and we also provide some of the connectors. Like here we are demonstrating USB 4 to LAN to RJ45 to USB 4 connector, or there is another form factor where you have SPF to USB 4 connector. So SPF plus to USB 4 connector. So these different connectors could be used to connect to your Mac using USB 4, and that can be your quick fix. Then this LAN cables could be connected to 10G switch for the better throughput. So a LAN connector with 10G switch and a LAN to USB 4 converter can provide you a full-fledged video editing solution. So if your NAS do not have Thunderbolt 4, you can still use USB 3 or just a LAN port to connect your NAS using this whole solution. Here we are also demonstrating another third category of video editing. Let's say you are a video editor who is always traveling, or you are a vlogger who is on the go, or you are a media company where you have to do a lot of video editing on the go. So in that case, we are offering this new solution which is called TBSH574TX. It comes with all E1.S NVMe SSDs. This is a new form factor. This is little expensive, but it is equally beneficial for you, so that you can have much faster data access speeds and on the go. So QNAP also provides M.2 connector for this E1.S SSDs, so that you can have around 5 E1.SSD here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this provides you a complete on the go video editing solution. And here what we have done is we have two Thunderbolt 4 ports. So this is one Thunderbolt port, and here is another Thunderbolt port. So using these two Thunderbolt ports, we have used SMB multi-channel to connect to this Mac, and you can see we are able to get somewhere around 2582 Mbps write speed. So this is how you can optimize when you are editing on the go. If you have two editors who are editing the data at the same time, then these two Thunderbolt ports could be connected to two different terminals or two different Macs, and in that case you may get somewhere around 1500 Mbps write speed. So this is our full-fledged on-the-go video editing solution based on a new SSD type, that is E1.S NVMe. So with that, I conclude this solution. And last but not the least, once you have all the data edited and you need some more economic, robust archival storage, then we are presenting our JBOD. So here we are presenting our new JBOD, which is TLD810TC4. So which is a 8-bay JBOD, which can be connected to your NAS, and it can become your archival server. And it can become your archival server. So that's our JBOD, and which can help you to keep your edited data forever. And with this, I conclude, and this forms our complete video editing solution based on various QNAP products. Thank you.